person you call you a leader as a what you are calling yourself a leader. Stop that rubbish. You are not a leader, you are a disappointment. You're supposed to be ashamed of yourselves.
Pastor Shuku Emeka don't finally tell us the problem of Nigeria. Anything will make TINUBU see this video. If he give this man heart attack, Nigeria, I beg. No share this video, go where this man dey. No share and go where any APC member dey. Anyway, make sure say you share this video in short. Share them. Speak the truth without fear.
It's for you to know that Nigeria did not know that many people died for nonsense election. Look at elderly people, old people lying in the daylight. They did not care about how Nigeria stay without light. They did not see it as a corruption. They see it as a, that is how it's supposed to be. Anybody that can support this kind of nonsense insult election before the whole world, do you know the insult? Do you know how these people below Nigeria, the giant of Africa, you are nothing in the eyes of any country, and you are talking rubbish because you see yourself be settled, because you have opportunity to get one appointment. You are favoring by the government. Government is not a favor. Government is a development. How can you people are so wicked, calling yourself government, calling yourself a leader, when you are leader for your stomach? Government is for development. Sell Nigeria in broad daylight. You see a president, somebody you people selected, telling the children that you were advised, snatch it, grab it. See what you are teaching the children that is coming before you as an elder. Go to your brother, fight them, bring the boss for me, and they are grabbing hands. A leader, and you people are telling the person, you may somebody do those things he do to Nigeria, to your children. Anybody that endorse that person you call you a leader as a what you, may God use that character you do. Let human beings do those things to your children. A president of a country is representing the country. Is an identity to us. Is our identity. For any country to welcome us is through by the character of our president. Any country that we come for, before that country will respect us, they will respect us through by the character of our president. And your election become worsted things for an elderly people like you people can present us in the whole world that we are useless. And you people open your mouth and making news. Elder man like you, open your mouth and making news. You see where police people, they will go, and people where they are snatching, people where they are making vote like animals. And all the whole country are crying, feeling pain, and somebody come out as person you people selected. I know that you did not vote for me. I know how you are feeling now. You are not happy. With the boldness, God will judge all of you. thought that by this time around that we will start to repair the damages that we have been causing since 1960. I thought when somebody is glowing, he will be learning some mistakes and try to correct the mistake. But Nigeria are not glowing out of mistake. Rather, they are coronating the mistake and coronating the corruption. The pain of the youth that own the country, you don't feel anything because they are giving you your own share from one local government or from one asolok. You are getting your allocation. You carry mopole walking around. When people want to kill, they will protect you. Look at you, they are protecting. I am sorry for you, Mopo, that using your life. But how much are they paying you? Before you start to protect the person, how much did the person pay you? How much is your salary? When they want to kill people, you will put your life. It's high time everybody must be humble to build the future of our own children. You see elder, people that call themselves father, talking like Awulos. Awuro are not piweka. When you saw everything very clear, even somebody will come out and say, any Igbo man, if you know you're Igbo man here, don't come here. If you know you cannot vote for this, don't come here. Look at how brothers become enemy because of people that are doing their business, making us to be enemy to ourselves because of their selfishness. No 24 hours light, no good road, no security. You are calling yourself a leader. Stop that rubbish. You are not a leader, you are a disappointment. All the people that are occupying any seat, from up to bottom, up to bottom. You're supposed to be ashamed of yourselves to calling yourself a leader. And every youth of this country, never keep quiet for your rights. No one owns this country. Look at a small boy because they give him position of an INEC. It takes Nigeria, a praying with a lot of people blend. All we are caribas. Men that are matters in the whole world are living and existing. Nigeria going down in every blessed day. Other nations are seeing us as nothing. God of our vengeance is about to replace the country of this. Lift up your hands. I bless you, families.